In front of the Campster Edition Adventure, and yes, it has all-terrain Bridgestone tires. Well, it's not a 4x4, but it has all terrains, and this is the final price. The beds are not so big, pop-up roof 2 meters 1 and the lower bed is 1.9 101. But for a smaller family it could fit the proper needs. Yeah, so 2 sitting areas with Isofix, well, standard Peugeot chassis, and well, sliding rear bench, and on this part we can check better actual kitchen with sink, 2 burners, and a small fridge. I don't know, it's 10 liters probably, and the pop-up roof. And if we check this version here, it's the same like that, but it's not off-road, but it's the same. So you can put out this part and get an outdoor kitchen unit for all your summer adventures. And if we go around, this is the actual Campster. This is pretty nice looking, and if we enter inside, we have an steady height with heating and, well, Eberspecher heating unit. And also we have the actual fridge. This is slightly deeper with refrigo for your belongings. And then we have the heating point right up there, new Citroen design, and, well, the bed that folds down like that. It looks like a pretty comfy bed, but it's not the biggest one in the market. And then exiting out, going on the back side, pretty standard also, a lot of cabinets, 2 sitting position that can fold down in a bed. That's it, your Campster right up